This is a more advanced Media Pinball Editor video where we're going to create a DMD action pack with a gaming started scene, a game over scene, and where we're going to capture the player 1 score. Let's continue with the action pack we created in our getting started video. If this is the first time using our Media Pinball Editor, you might want to watch that video first. If you want our player to capture scores or give players the ability to earn XP or achievements, it is important you indicate the start and the end of a game first. So let's start with capturing the beginning of a game. We're going to click on Add New Scene. Then we're going to find the beginning of a game. So that is right here. Here we go. So like before, we're holding our mouse key down and we're going to select 0, 0. Because that's how we know that the game starts. Then we enter in start of game. We're going to play a video and then we're going to capture the start of the game. I'm going to browse for the video. Update the scene. Next step is we're going to record the game over scene. So you're going to find the scene. Should be right here somewhere. Here we go. At the moment we see the word match, we know that the game is over. So I'm going to select this word again by holding the mouse key down, the left mouse key, and moving my mouse while holding that key down to the right bottom corner. Then I enter in game over. And sure, I will play a video again. I'm going to capture the game over. And then let's see if I have something here. A game over scene. There we go. I selected multiple game over scenes. So it will basically randomly play one of these. And again, update scene. And now we're going to try to capture the score, right? So we do the same thing again. Add new scene. I'm going to find, here we go, I already found it. This is how you capture the score. So the score comes right after the game over scene in essence. Right, you see this here, match, and then if I look right after that, as soon as I see the word credits, right, so I'm going to select that, the word credits, I selected it. So as soon as I see the word credits, I know this is score 1 digit. Now, you notice I say 1 digit, so the word credits will shift when there are 2 digits for the credits. So that's important. So in that case, if you need to do both credits, 1 digit and 2 digits, you're going to have to create 2 of these score action scenes. So in this case, I'm just going to create 1, so score 1 digit. I'm not going to play a video now, no media action. And I'm going to capture the score. And right now, we have a player 1 button and test score capturing. So what that does, once I click on player 1, now, like it says, select an area where the score is shown. So I'm going to select the area where the score is shown. And I'm going to select that entire area. I know that this could be in the middle of the screen for player 1. Once I do that, there we go. You noticed I basically lassoed around that area. I held my mouse key down again in the top left corner, went all the way to the right bottom corner. And that's it, that's selected. And now to make sure this works, I'm going to click on this test score capture button. And what that does, it goes to the server. It basically grabs that score, makes an image out of it, and does OCR on that image. And then there you go, it comes back with the score. And then it's asking you if you want a confirmation that the score is correct. If you say yes, then it will let the server know, hey, we were able to capture a score. If it says no, that will allow us to basically look into this and see if something went wrong or why we can't capture that score. Okay, so I'm saying yes. Now, Again, you know, credits, the word credits is going to show here from time to time, but we only really want to capture credits after the game over scene. So the after scene, that's what that is for. I can basically select any scene, but I only want to select the scene where basically our game over scene. So once we hit game over, and then next we see the word credits, that's in essence when I start capturing the score. And that's it. I just do update scene. And there you have it. Now we're able to basically capture the beginning of a game, the end of the game, and then we can also capture the score. Now the last thing, once you start using any of these capturing of the beginning and the ends and then the scoring, then you need to enter in a game code here that is required. And to do so, you basically need to go to our site. And the easiest way, you know, to get a new game code is you click on New, and you will be transported to our site where you can then request a new game code.